Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's only October, but we're in full on Christmas mode here, so that's what you're getting for the October Sew Sampler unboxing. So if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they're monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They are $29.95 a month plus shipping. They are from Fat Quarter Shop, and I will put a link on where you can get those below this video. Today's video is the October 2024 box, and it is Colorful Fall. On the back, there is a free Sew Stitchy coaster set and a QR code to download that cute quilt pattern. So inside our box, we've got our little insert. I will be referring to that as we go through these different products. So this is block number 7 from our Peaceful Baskets quilt along. If you're new to the boxes, each month they send out a pattern for a block, and then at the end of 12 boxes, they will send out the finishing instructions for them as well. And they usually do have limited finishing kits available on their website. I'm sure since we're already on block 7 that the kits for the blocks have sold out. I think this one features Nantucket or Shoreline from Bonnie and Camille. I can't remember now because it's been so long. And it says, feel at peace in your sewing space as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. This sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Baskets block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop, and they retail for $4.98. And I am actually collecting all of the patterns. I will be putting them in a bundle, and then once I have all the patterns, including the finishing, I'm going to be giving them away to one of you. Okay, so the first thing in our box is this little scissor sheath, and it's a sticky scissor sheath. So you have sticky on the back, and then you could place this on your sewing machine. It retails for $5.48, and it says the Sticky Scissor Sheath by Utah 3D is your sewing sidekick. This pint sidekick powerhouse keeps your thread scissors snug and secure right on your machine. Stick it with adhesive backing to the perfect spot, and voila, your snips are always at your fingertips and never in the way. Say goodbye to lost scissors. And I don't know about you guys, but when I am sewing, I usually end up, when I am all done, with like a handful of scissors all over the place because I grab one, I'm snipping something, I toss it, I keep sewing, can't find that one, so I grab a new one. So this is probably going to be a really handy thing to have in my sewing space. The next thing in our box are the 6-pack of Fat Quarter mini bolts. These value at $5.98. And it says Fat Quarter mini bolt fabric organizer by Paper Pieces is your new best friend. It's sturdy enough to tame your fabric chaos, yet small enough to stay cozy up on your bookshelf. Each mini bolt is a dream for fabric pieces under a yard. Just fold and tuck one end into the slot and wrap away. Get ready to fall in love with organizing your fabric one mini bolt at a time. And there is a QR code right here for the tutorial for them. I did pull one out, and they are this it's like a plastic material, so they're nice and thick, so I don't think they'll bend. I mean, they're like a hard plastic, and then here's the little clip that you can tack your fabric in so that it doesn't come undone. So I don't know if I'll be using these a whole lot. I do have my larger fabric organized on comic book boards. They're a cardboard. They're thick enough to work as a bolt, but thin enough that they don't take a whole lot of room on your shelf. I've seen a lot of people doing it on like foam board, and to me that's just too thick. Like it takes up too much room on your shelf just for the board. So I prefer the comic book boards, and I just have them all lined up in my IKEA shelves over here. It works really well for me. So I could see how these would work for something smaller. I just don't know if I'd be willing to do the work for a smaller piece. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. The next thing we have is the Splendid Quilt pattern. This values at $9.98. It is by Fat Quarter Shop, and it says when it comes to dazzling star-studded quilt, splendid is the only word that fits. The Splendid Quilt design excels at highlighting lively colors and striking prints in a grand star motif. Use it alongside the Fat Quarter set included in this month's box. They do have finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. It finishes at 59.5 by 59.5, and then you would just need some extra fabric along with what comes in this month's box to finish it off. And then here's the fabric that comes in this month's box. It values at $24.98. It is the Splendid Laguna Sunrise Fat Quarter Bundle by Sherry and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics, and it says, why settle for dull autumn hues when you can dazzle with Laguna Sunrise fabric? Bursting with vivid colors and striking patterns, it's designed to energize your creative corner with playful pinwheels and lovely florals among its offerings. This set of 6 fat quarters lets you taste all the splendor. So here are the colors that it comes with. These are definitely not like my wheelhouse colors. They're cute little prints. I do wish it came with more fabric too. Having 6 fat quarters in a box is kind of like, you know, I don't know. I just like to see a little bit more fabric in my boxes. but it does come with enough fabric to finish that star on the top, and you're going to need extra for the star points, yardage, and that outer border. And then the last thing in our box is this pop-up pattern with hardware. This might actually be my favorite thing in this month's box. It values at $13.98, and it says say goodbye to messy scrap bin and hello to style with fat quarter pop-up pattern and hardware by So Organized Design. Select your favorite fat quarter, use the provided pattern and hardware, and create a stylish new home for your scraps that folds easily. And these are really cool because they collapse back down for easy storage. So if you're traveling to like a retreat or something like that, these are really good to bring with you. You can put your scraps or even your trash in them, and so these are a lot of fun. And then it comes with that hardware that you need for it, so that is really cool. And I think this is probably my favorite thing in this month's box. So that's everything that came in this month's box. I did add up the value. The value for this month's box is $65.38. So I feel like that's a pretty decent value for this month's box. For some reason, I don't feel like I got as much stuff in this month's box, maybe because there just wasn't as much fabric in there. So I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I do feel like there just wasn't as many things that I was interested in this month's box. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this month's box. I am going to be giving the entire contents of this month's box away to one of you, minus the Peaceful Baskets pattern, because like I said, I will collect all those and give those away once they're all released. So in order to win today's giveaway, I have a couple of requirements. Number one, please make sure you're a subscriber to my channel. I like to do giveaways for my subscribers as a way to say thank you. Number two, let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was from this month's box, or just what you thought about it in general. I will be picking one winner from those comments. And then number three, US only, please. International shipping is just really expensive, so I do have to keep the giveaways to US only. So that's going to be it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming fun content. I have a ton of holiday things coming soon, and Vlogmas 2024 is right around the corner. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. But you can do them in any fabric that you like. This one is using, I think, the Nantucket or Shoreline. I need my glasses. And it does say that they have a, oh, watch the tutorial. I added up the value. I did not add it up for you. Let's add it up really quickly.